Hello, it's Josh here from the Classic Competition Company, and today we're out here with a 1976 Triumph T90, and this prize will be drawn on the 9th of October at 8 PM, which is a Sunday. What I'm going to do today is show you the bike, walk you around it and start it. So you can see it's cold. What we need to do first is turn our fuel tap on, which is over here, and the ignition key is also here. Got a choke and a kickstart. So we need to tickle the carb until it runs on your finger. Smells good. Give it a kick. So here we have the Triumph T90 1967. It's a 350cc twin with a single carb. The T stands for Tiger, and the 90 means supposedly it would have done 90 miles an hour. Probably downhill with a very light rider, I'd imagine. As you can see, this is a nice usable condition bike, I'd say. Probably an older restoration. It's still very presentable. Nice red and cream tank. There's the seat, nice condition. The rims look like they've been rebuilt recently. Engine's nicely polished. This particular example has matching engine and frame numbers, which means basically it left the factory with an engine which was the same number as the frame, so the engine and frame number are the same, that's why they call them matching, and this one still retains its original engine. For a 350 they sound really throaty and nice, they sound like a 500. So yeah, really nice bikes, very popular because they're easy to start being a 350, but they're not like a small bike. They're the same size as the 500 T100. We'll do our turn off. There we are. So if you fancy a ticket, just go to the website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. They're $2.99, and this ends on the 9th of October. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.